the Earth was flat, wouldn't it be sunny all the time?
How do you explain night and day?
I mean, have you ever even thought about it?
Can't even explain a sunset.
There wouldn't be an horizon if the Earth was flat, now would it?
A horizon is an artifact that would not exist if there were not curvature.
Flat Earth should be the ground going off into indefinite distance, and then a hazy line,
a gradient,
hazy distance where your visual distance is limited by the atmosphere. So you would see an apparent horizon.
This would happen on the clearest of clear days on a flat Earth, and even very clear air would turn a sharp horizon into a blurry one. So even on a very clear day
on a flat Earth,
we would have blurry horizons.
You admitted it'd be a fuzzy gradient on a flat Earth after initially you guys say there wouldn't be one. Now we admit there would be one, and we admit that what we see actually is a fuzzy gradient. You tried to
I don't think that it would be the same fuzzy gradient, honestly.
Understand Witsit, you can keep laughing and all, but you just kind of showing that you don't understand the question.
Okay.
So the sky would appear to meet the ground and give you an apparent horizon, and it would be fuzzy. It would be a gradient.
Sure.
So, and then on a globe, we expect to see a distinct hard cutoff.
Yeah, just like any view. Okay, so can you explain a sunset on a flat Earth?
Sure, the horizon is the vanishing line. It's an apparent location. The sun appears to go down due to perspective. It then goes into that vanishing line. The bottom of it, of course, is going to reach the vanishing line first, just like street lights do. So it's going to disappear into the horizon. It's very simple. I just now stillmanned the sunset on flat Earth. Now let's see if you can do it. Stillman a sunset on flat Earth. Go.
Okay.
He can't even say it out loud. So when we have literally hundreds of thousands of observations where the horizon, quite literally, is apparent and a fuzzy gradient, just like it would be on a flat Earth. When you zoom in on the horizon, right? There is a fuzzy gradient every single time. When you look over the ocean, since there is such a color contrast between, say, the sky and the water, certainly like at sunset or something when the sky starts to get orange, it looks like there's a line, right? Because you have the horizontal, like, water. So you can see a distinction. When you zoom in on that horizon, there is a fuzzy gradient where the ground merges into the sky. And then as you get in a plane, it does the same thing. As you get on a mountain, it does the same thing. All observations, including all observations over the ocean, the horizon is a apparent location with a fuzzy gradient. You just said that's what would happen on a flat Earth, and that the opposite should happen on a globe Earth. Welcome to Flat Earth. Thank you for refuting the globe.
Not everybody can be a robot polisher.
Okay, so what is this magical limit of our vision?
There are optical effects that prevent us from seeing something that's really, really far away. Our eyes are not perfect machines, right? They have limitations, physical limitations.
Have you ever driven in fog?
Yes.
Okay. You know what fog lights are?
Yes.
Why do we have fog lights versus headlights?
Yes.
Why do we have one versus the other?
Okay.
Isn't it weird how like the light just stops and it's like it's hitting a wall? How does that happen? But with fog lights, that wall is farther away. How does that happen? You understand now?
Okay.
How does it happen?
So,
answer the question. How does it happen?
At a magic distance, we can no longer see any object past that distance, correct?
Wait, are the headlights in the fog magic?
Okay.
Like, they literally can't even bring themselves to steelman it. Like, it's so illustrative of their brain, right? Like, they can't even humor the thought to try and steelman a sunset on a flat Earth. Like, you literally couldn't do it. Like, which to me, I think says everything, right?
Classic Fleur thing of always confusing level with flat.
True level is the curve of the Earth.
Level just means as close to the center of the Earth as possible.
Level
literally means a curved surface.
So saying water is level actually matches the globe's prediction. Thank you very much.
In fact, there is never occasions when water is flat. Water is always curved.
Level means flat. You don't have measurements of... Or sorry, level means curved.
You just said level means flat, bro.
Water's flat. Water's not flat, sorry.
You just said it.
Level means curved.
Slip there, mix
you don't have